Pi network DeFi kind of sort of past cost evaluation, as per the particularly the most recent information basically gathered, the reliable cost of Pi network DeFi especially is 0.00005965, and Pi network DeFi generally actually is truly right at this point arranged in the genuinely definitely whole crypto pretty especially typical plan. The core supply of Pi network DeFi truly for all intents and purposes is zero with a market cap of zero or so they as per a confirmed perspective idea, with an improvement in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Pi network DeFi's cost, particularly definitely has shown a decent extension of 1529. As of now really paying all things considered little essentially regard to truly definitely standard reasoning, from in every for all intents and purposes, practical sense, most recent 7 days, the Pi network DeFi, really especially generally was in as a rule, fundamentally generally striking truly sort of vertical model and relaxed by 13,927 Pi network DeFi, particularly basically for the most part has areas of strength for genuinely for displayed for amazingly of actually late, and this could be somewhat fair, a passage to take a leap, and sort of really contribute, kind of for all intents and purposes, contrary to extraordinary reasoning. Pi network DeFi cost prediction forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030 at Prisa prediction it. We in genuinely broad expect future Pi network DeFi cost assumptions be network DeFi measure. By applying kind of significant man-made shrewdness, generally maintained kind of unambiguous pretty appraisal, on the very past pretty worth information of Pi. With structures association DeFi, in a kind of actually major way, we most certainly kind of give a genuinely for all intents and purposes, striking work to essentially accumulate. Undoubtedly basically clear credible information for the Pi network DeFi cash which fundamentally generally speaking combination various endpoints like unquestionably past commonly sort of worth Pi network DeFi market cap Pi network DeFi volume, and scarcely any considerably pretty much more, which essentially sort of for the most part is genuinely fairly key. Persevering through every one of you around in every basically practical sense, are needing to all over particularly put resources into in each judicious sense, particularly mechanized electronic kinds of money, and need radiant advantage from everything considered essentially prettier undertakings, everything considered literally try to all things considered, generally take a gander at our activities, or so they surely certainly literally thought Pi network DeFi cost question 2022. As per our gigantic express, generally appraisal on genuinely for all intents and purposes, past kind of sort of worth information of Pi network DeFi in 2022 the cost of Pi network DeFi ought to essentially generally appear at on an uncommonly genuinely fundamental degree of 0.00006191, kind of contrary to pretty standard reasoning. The Pi network DeFi cost can basically appear at an especially indefinitely general, according to a very broad viewpoint glorious degree of 0.00007171, with a really standard exchanging cost of 0.00006389, in a kind of massive way. Pi network DeFi cost suspicion 2023. The cost of Pi network DeFi really ought to specifically appear at from a by and large, in fairly general point of view level of 0.00008609 out of 2023 or so they really in a real sense, particularly thought the Pi network DeFi cost can fundamentally basically appear at an everything considered generally silly degree of 0.000010. A24 with the truly actually standard cost of 0.00008929 all through 2023 an alleged way Pi network DeFi essentially actually quote for 2024 to 2025. As per the figure cost and truly unambiguous assessment in 2024, the cost of Pi network DeFi ought to as per a substantial perspective really reach at the barely irrelevant degree of 0.00012782. The Pi network DeFi cost might in each really possible sense, whenever at some point generally appear at an actually the greatest degree of 0.00014973. With the by and for the most part enormous in every way. that really matters. Typical exchanging cost of 0.000132228 or so. They, as per a genuine perspective, sort of for the most part, ought the cost of one Pi network DeFi, really ought to, according to a truly broad viewpoint, literally reach at the basically truly pretty unessential degree of 0.000185560 out of 0.25. Impossibly, the Pi network DeFi cost might in every utilitarian sense whenever at some point really appear at a greatest degree of 0.000022574, with a pretty standard cost of 0.000192221, all through 2025, which all around especially is evidently head Pi network DeFi cost supposition. 2026 Pi network DeFi cost ridiculously essentially is figure to specifically appear regularly lovely conceivable degree of 0.000266620 out of 2026. According to our openings, the Pi network DeFi cost could for all intents and purposes appear at a greatest sort of conceivable degree of 0.000032341, with a pretty overall fairly normal figure cost of 0.000027389 in a by and huge epic way. Pi network DeFi basically quote 2027, as per our especially chief really, for all intents and purposes turned in every practical sense evaluation around stunningly sort of actually past truly worth information of Pi network DeFi in 2027. The cost of Pi network DeFi, not everlastingly set up to be at around a base extremely worth of 0.000039208, which generally explicitly definitely is truly basic. The Pi network DeFi generally see particularly fairly worth, could as per an authentic perspective, whenever actually appear at an actually essential of 0.0004711 with the customary exchanging kind of worth of 0.000405788 in UST. Pi network DeFi. Pi network DeFi cost theory 2028. The cost of Pi network DeFi genuinely generally ought to unequivocally basically appear at usually positively kind of worth of 0.000579005 out of 2028. Which is actually most certainly very key. The Pi network DeFi cost could, as per a definitely real perspective in the end, for all intents and purposes, appear at a genuinely generally speaking insane really kind of really worth of 0.000068337. With a very ordinary exchanging cost of 0.000595528, all through 2028. Pi network DeFi cost prediction forecast 2029, as per the figure, and particularly unambiguous assessment in 2029, the cost of Pi network DeFi should kind of sort of show up at in any event magnificently fundamentally sort of worth of 0.000085811. The Pi network DeFi cost can essentially appear at and in a very real sense, the greatest generally worth kind of most certainly really worth of 0.